Hi guys, welcome to JVG channel, and I'm here in school to learn something new. Come and join me. I think my tutor teacher is already here. Let's come inside and learn something new topics. Hi ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. January. So, you may take your seat.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, how's your day?
Well, okay, it's fine.
Yesterday, we already discussed about the GCP. So now, we're going to discuss about what is GCP. Do you are familiar with the word GCP or greatest common factor?
I think yes ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now, let's get started. So first, I am going to discuss with you what is GCD. So when we say GCD, it is a greatest common divisor. So GCD, it is a common greatest divisor. It is also called greatest common factor. So when we say factors, for example, we have the value of 8. Diba, what do you think is the value, what do you think is the number that if we divide it to the 8, so we get a rational number? So when we say rational number, it is a whole number or a natural number. Diba? So now, what do you think is the divisor or the factor of 8? So do you have any idea?
4 and 2.
4 and 2. So,
And what do you think about 1 and 8?
So it
Is it also GCF? Or greatest common divisor?
okay, so you're right. So you already know what is GCD, diba? So when you say the value of 1, the value of 2, and 4, and 8, they are all GCF or the factor of the value of 8. Diba? When we divide 8 to 1, when 8 divided by 1, the answer is 8. So that's right. So your answer will be under a rational number. So when you divide 8 divided by 2, your answer is
4.
4. So that's right. So also, and 4 and 8 is also divisible by 8. We already discussed what are the divisibility. So this topic is a continuation of our topic last week. Okay. So in finding GCD, we have four elements. So before we are going to discuss on how we get the GCD of this number. So we are going to start identifying the elements of the division. We include division as operation when going to find the GCD of a number. So first, for example, so 24 divided by 4. Now let's answer this question. So 24 divided by 4, we have 6 and 24 minus 0. So can you identify what are each part of this division? So where is the dividend?
24 is the dividend naman.
Okay, 24 is the dividend, so you're right. So what is the divisor?
The divisor is 4.
So that's right. So the divisor is 4. So what do you think? What do you call this element 6?
Is it quotient?
So that's right. So it is a quotient or the answer of this equation. Of this divisor. This is quotient. So next, this 0, we also call this as remainder. So remainder, it is number left over after the division. So diba, when you see 0, so there is no remainder. So now, let's go into this.
Ma'am, I have a question. How can we conclude that the 8 is the remainder, and how can we compute it? The 3 times 9 and the remainder is 8 would be the 35.
Okay, so in order for us to conclude or to check if our answer is correct, so this is the things that we're going to do. So based on our last discussion, we already know how to check the division. Diba? The division is the dividend is equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. So this is the formula on how to find or to check our answer. So what is the value of our divisor?
The divisor is 9.
9. Okay, 9. So what do you think is our quotient?
Quotient is 3.
So 3. That's right, 3. Then our remainder?
The remainder is 8.
8. Okay. So just simplify. 9 times 3?
27.
27. Plus 8.
8.
Then what do you think is the answer?
35.
So, our dividend is 35.
Come on, thinking.
Okay. So, for instance, we involve two numbers. So, for example, what is the greatest common factor of the number 13 and 48? So, now, we're going to solve this kind of problem. Diba? First, we have to find the factor of each term. So, when you say 13, what do you think is the factor of 13?
Is it only 1 and 13?
Yes, that's right. So, when you say the factor, so the factor of 13 is only 1 and 13. Then the factor of 48, what do you think is the factor of 48?
1,
1,
2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
8. Oh, no, 8. 48.
48. So that's right. So our factor of this number, so when we say the factor of 13 is 1 and 13. Okay?
Okay.
So when we say the factor of 48 is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 48. So what do you think is the GCD or the greatest common divisor of these two numbers?
Only 1.
Okay, so there's the greatest common divisor is only 1. So that's how we're going to find the GCD. So now, I hope you understand our topic for today about GCD. When we say GCD, it is all about greatest common divisor. So it is also called a greatest common factor. So that it is how you're going to find your GCD of a number. Diba? When you have two numbers and just list down the factors, and then you're going to determine what are or what is the greatest common divisor. Okay? Okay. So, that's will be all for today. So thank you, Mr.
At last, my class is over and I learned new lessons about GCF, or what we call the greatest common factor, or the GCD, the greatest common divisor. And I am very grateful for my tutor teacher, because she is so not just beautiful but so intelligent. Oh, I almost forgot. My sister asked me to buy some foods and candies for her students. Okay, guys, we are now here at Dominic Assistant. We were here to buy some biscuits for my sister. Let's go! I think that is where like ulangan. And this, because it is so neat, I think that we like it. So let's buy 3. Oh, it's here! I think I would buy this one. Oh, only for 7 pesos. Let's buy this one. Let's go. I think this is enough. So, if my sister have 6 students and I have 12 dominos and 6, it have a factor of 1, 2, 3, and 6. And for 12 dominos, the factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So, the GCD is 6. 1:2 is our proportion. Therefore, every student, they should have 2 dominos. And for the gummies, I have 6 students and 54 pieces of gummies. 1, 2, 3, 6 is the factor of 6. And 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54 is the factor of 54. Therefore, the GCD is 6. Then, the proportion is 1:9. Therefore, every student, they have 9 pieces of gummies.
So did you distribute the snacks equally?
Yes, sis.
So,
Equally.
so how many dominos are there in gummies?
There are 12 dominos and 54 gummies. Therefore, each student must have 2 dominos and 9 gummies.
Okay. So, thank you, mother. So you can go now.
Okay. That would be all for my vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!